Welcome to the world of ChatGPT, the powerful language model that can help you unlock the secrets to making money fast and achieving financial success. ChatGPT is more than just a tool, it's a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's a neural network that's been trained on a massive amount of internet text, giving it an unprecedented understanding of language and the ability to generate human-like text. And it's this ability that makes ChatGPT the ultimate tool for making money fast. But what exactly can ChatGPT do for you? Well, the possibilities are truly endless. ChatGPT can be used for content creation, research and analysis, data entry, and even automating mundane tasks. Let's start with content creation. With ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality, unique content in a fraction of the time it would take to write it yourself. This can be used for anything from writing blog posts and ebooks, to creating social media content and even scripts for videos. But it's not just about content creation. ChatGPT can also help you with research and analysis. It can analyze data, identify patterns, and even make predictions. This can be a huge advantage in the stock market, for example. With ChatGPT, you can analyze financial data, identify trends, and make informed investment decisions. The result? Increased profits and faster returns. ChatGPT can also be used to automate tasks that would otherwise take up a lot of time, freeing you up to focus on revenue-generating activities. Whether it's automating customer service emails, data entry or market research, ChatGPT can help you save time and increase efficiency. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of ChatGPT is its ability to generate new ideas and opportunities. With its understanding of language and its ability to generate human-like text, ChatGPT can help you come up with new and innovative ways to make money. One potential idea to make money fast with ChatGPT is by using it to generate high-quality, unique content for affiliate marketing. By creating detailed product reviews and comparisons, you can attract a high volume of targeted traffic to your site and earn commission on any sales made through your affiliate links. Another idea is to use ChatGPT to generate automated email campaigns for email marketing. By creating personalized, targeted emails that are tailored to the interests of your subscribers, you can increase the likelihood of them making a purchase. An idea is to use ChatGPT for copywriting services. By using the model to generate persuasive sales copy for websites, landing pages, and other marketing materials, you can increase conversions and drive more sales. One can use ChatGPT for creating chatbot conversation. By generating chatbot conversation, you can provide instant customer support, handle repetitive tasks, and boost customer satisfaction. Another idea is to use ChatGPT for creating automated customer service responses. By using the model to generate responses to frequently asked questions, you can save time and improve the customer experience. Another idea is to use ChatGPT for creating automated social media posts and ads. By generating high-quality, engaging content for social media platforms, you can increase brand awareness, drive more traffic to your website, and boost sales. One idea is to use ChatGPT for creating automated financial reports. By generating financial reports, you can save time and get an accurate, real-time picture of your business's financial health. Yet another idea is to use ChatGPT for creating automated market research reports. By generating market research reports, you can stay ahead of the competition and make better business decisions. Another idea is to use ChatGPT for creating automated legal documents. By using the model to generate legal documents, you can save time and money on legal fees. Another idea is to use ChatGPT for creating automated SEO-friendly content. By generating SEO-friendly content, you can increase your website's visibility, drive more traffic, and boost sales. In short, ChatGPT is the ultimate tool for making money fast and achieving financial success. It can help you with content creation, research and analysis, automation and even generating new ideas. Don't wait any longer. Unlock the power of ChatGPT and start making money fast. So, are you ready to take your business to the next level? Are you ready to achieve financial success? Then join us on this journey of discovery as we unveil the secrets of ChatGPT, the ultimate tool for making money fast.